How to withdraw cash from the Webull app? Let me demonstrate withdrawing funds from the Webull application. They've designed this process unnecessarily complicated, likely discouraging withdrawals. Here's a helpful shortcut. Access the menu in the lower right corner, then enable the Lite version in the top right. This switches to Webull Lite, a more user-friendly interface. They maintain two app versions inexplicably. Next, sell all your stock positions visible under My Positions. After selling, funds will appear in your cash balance, though you may need to wait several days for clearance. Tapping this section reveals settled versus unsettled cash details. Now select banking and transfers, followed by the withdraw option. It displays your available withdrawal amount. I'll choose $55.86 and select ACH transfer to my bank account. Press submit despite their promotional offers. Continue through the withdrawal process and confirm. You'll need to re-enter your password. They've made security verification extensive. After password verification, the system confirms withdraw application submitted. Completion typically occurs within several business days. Select done to finish the process.
And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.